A warm welcome to all of you in this tutorial. This is the first tutorial on GAT preparation. What is GAT? GAT General Aptitude Test. Why it is required? It is required by the institutions or universities of Pakistan in order to secure admission in MPhil and MS master programs. How this test is conducted? This test is conducted by National Testing Service, which is a private firm which conducts tests for jobs or for university admission as well. My name is Halilullah and I have done business administration in finance from Kehati University of Science and Technology. We are going to study today the quantitative section of a GATE, which is a very important and tricky part. What is quantitative section actually mean? Now, when you are dealing with finding the values of percentages, or you are finding the value of numbers, like you are finding the age of someone, you are finding distances, you are finding equations, and so on. Equation, you are finding the value of x and y and z, and so on. When you are dealing with this, you are actually dealing with the quantitative section of the GATE test. Now we are going to solve some basic questions, so please keep on the track and carefully watch this tutorial. There is a question that consider the following equation. This is your equation and you have to find out the value of x because they have required. These are the options. After you solve, you have to see which one the right answer. So let's move towards solving this question. So 2, now here you have to written 2 multiply 1 in order to get this 2. So this must be multiplied by 1 as well. It will become x plus signs. Now there is 1. You have to multiply with 2 in order to get this 2. So this must be multiplied with 2 as well, which will give me 6 is equal to x minus y. Now x plus 6 is equal to, this will come here and get multiplied, x minus y. X plus 6 equals 2x minus 2y. This 6 will go there because we have to get the value of x. X is equal to 2x minus 2y. It will become negative sign because here it was on the left side it was right positive sign. Now you have to get out here x minus 2x is equal to minus 2y minus 6. This will become minus x. Why it is minus x? Because negative is with bigger value, 2x is equal to minus 2y minus 6. That all becomes positive. So x is equal to 2y plus 6. This is your right answer. Now a straight line, this is your straight line. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. It is the equation for the straight line. Touches the x-axis at. Now at which point it is touching? This is your coordinate system. Here x positive, here x negative, here y positive, here y negative. Now if you get this value and you just solve for it, if you get y is equal to 0 after solving this equation, then that will be your point where x touch it, the line touches x-axis. Now we have to just remove it here because we have to work on this. Now if I get this value and put it in x, I will get 2 and minus 2 plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This will become minus 4 plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This cancel out. 3y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 by 3. Y equals 0. So I think this is the right answer and it will come here. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is a straight line which is going through x-axis and here y is equal to 0. Now what is the value of x in the 5? You have to find the value of this side. So we will use Petroglyphs Theorem, which is all about the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This is my hypotenuse, this is my base, and this is perpendicular side. Now, x square as hypotenuse square formula going on as equal to base square plus this perpendicular square, x square is equal, this cancel out, we are left with 20, and 4 square is equal to 36, x square is equal to 36. So now x square is equal to 6 square, because this comes with, this gives us this value, this will cancel out each other, we are left with x is equal to 6. So this is the right answer. Now, what is the sum of first 10 numbers of sequence 1, 2, 4 at 16? You have to take a lot of care that whether this is arithmetic sequence, or whether it is a geometric sequence, or whether it is harmonic sequence. Now, if we find out the ratio 2 divided by 1, 4 divided by 2, ratio between these, ratio between these, ratio between these, ratio between these, 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 4, 16 divided by 8. It will give me 2, it will give me 2, it will give me 2, it will give me 2. So I think that R is equal to 2, so it is geometric sequence. Now we have some formula for which we are going to use in order to find out the value. What is that formula? That formula as Sn is equal to, this is some formula for geometric sequence. Sorry. Sn is equal to A1 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. This is your formula. What is A1 here? A1 is this is A2, A3, A4, A5. This is the total terms. Now we are going to find out 10 terms. S10 is equal to A1 is 1, 1 minus R we had 2, because 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, so 2 is our common ratio. N is equal to 10 divided by 1 minus 2. Now S 10 is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 0 2 4 divided by minus 1, we will get minus 1 0 2 3. After we subtract this, divided by minus 1, it will get positive, and we are left with 1 0 2 3. So this is our right answer. I hope that you enjoyed and learned some basic tricks on solving these questions. If you really like this video, then I request you to please watch tutorial 2 in order to get some more quantitative questions which will be more interesting and tricky. Thank you so much. If you have any query, you can just send me an email, or you can just send me your query on my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching.